Kendra Scott started back in 2002 in her spare bedroom with $500. We started really more as a wholesale business until about 2010 when we opened up our Austin flagship store. And at the same time, we also really kicked off heavily our e-commerce business. Since that time, we've grown exponentially. We are now in Neiman's, Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's, over about 1,000 different boutiques all over the United States and actually outside of the United States as well. We have 17 retail locations in 7 states now. Expect that to double again next year. And from an e-commerce side of the business, it's a multi-million-dollar business. We're growing probably 220 to 240% year over year, month over month. We want to make sure that we are providing really true fashion jewelry and high quality jewelry at an attainable price. As we continue to grow, I knew that we needed to move off the cloud solution, completely cloud. I was looking for somebody who not only could provide our scalable solution, who could work with us to come up with the right solution, but somebody who also felt about customer service the same way we do. And those pieces combined really led me to really sit down and spend a quality time with the Rackspace team. When they came up with a solution for us that allowed us to move to bare metal, but to expand into the cloud when we had those peak seasons, that sold me. I didn't want to go and spend tons and tons of money for hardware, it's just going to sit there. I love the opportunity that we can expand and grow when we need to at the right time, very simply, and then turn that piece off. So you're paying really for what you use. It has made such a huge difference as far as page load times are so much better. Just the actual performance and knowing that we're going to be able to support the number of customers that we have hitting the site at one time. Magento has really been the platform that we've been on pretty much from the beginning. Having a support team at Rackspace that actually has Magento specific experience is invaluable, right? Because they actually know the nuances of how to scale that specific platform. And when we talk about the type of promotions that we're running, or we're talking about the scalability, or we're talking about where we're going to say, okay, for this specific platform, you need to be thinking about X, Y, and Z. Just having a sounding board is really helpful for us as we're putting a scalability performance plan in place. Kendra Scott has the wow customer service, and Rackspace has the fanatical support. That's really important to me. I know that you guys are going to be on the phone with me. I know that the person on the other end knows their business, and I know that they really want to get it right. That to me is a huge economic advantage, because I know we're going to have the uptime that's going to be able to support the growth that we have. What you guys are doing from a fanatical support is helping me provide that wow customer service to my customers. If you're looking for just the cheapest thing out there, that's not necessarily going to give you the support level that you need. If you really are truly growing an e-commerce business, and it's important to you that you are able to scale, that you have solid performance, that if there is an issue that you can pick up the phone and have somebody support you through that you can pick their brain when you need to, then that's the reason you would need to go with Rackspace. People ask all the time, who's your hosting provider, who are you using? Absolutely, hands down, I have no question, no qualm saying Rackspace. And if you're not there, why aren't you?